Take command of the road in the 2012 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a roof rack, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.